Okay, good afternoon. Today ay gagawa po tayo ng gyoza or Japanese pot sticker. Japanese pork pot sticker. So, lagyan natin ng konting toyo. And of course, I use Kikkoman. Okay? Kikkoman toyo. Kung meron kayong yung less sodium, gawin nyo yung less sodium. So, ayan na po. So, yung giniling natin, meron na yan grated ginger, green onion, chop, finely chop. Meron tong cabbage, finely chop din. Pepper, finely chop garlic. Okay, so lagyan ko na rin yan ng garlic. Sake or Japanese wine, I put a little bit on it. A little bit of soy sauce. Pepper, I already put black pepper. I put a little bit of sugar on it, just a little bit, you know, a sprinkle of sugar, just to taste. And then I put some onion powder. I mean, not onion powder. It's ginger powder, a little bit. And then I put grated ginger on it, so grated luya. Okay, and of course I put chives on it. So, I chop thinly yung chives. So, yan na siya. So, yan, i-mix up niya na po. I put a little bit of sesame oil on it. Just a little. Okay, guys. So, we're back. Okay? So, ilay niyo yung, lagay niyo sa kawali. Yung gyoza, arrange niyo ng ganyan. So, meron pa tayo dito. So, ganyan. Lagyan nyo ng konting oil. So, konting oil lang. Okay? Yan. Lagyan ko ng konting oil. Diyan nilalagay sa may gilid. Konting oil. Yan. Iba-brown natin ng konting ilalim yan. So, itong ilalim na to, kailangan maging brown yan. So, iba-brown natin yan. After natin i-brown yan, lalagyan natin ng water. And then, i-cover natin hanggang siya ay maluto. So, we'll wait. We'll wait until it get a little brown. Okay? I'll be back. Okay, guys. We're back. So, actually, brown na yung ilalim niya. So, if ganyan na, okay? Ganyan na ang nangyari. Okay? So, let me check. Okay, brown na yan. Okay. Ngayon, lalagyan natin yan ng water. Lagyan natin ng water. Ngayon, lulutuin natin yan hanggang maiga yung water. Okay. So, hanggang mawala yung water. Ganun yung pagluluto niya. Pagka wala na yung water, ito na yan. Okay? So, lalagyan nyo lang ng water, tapos tatakpan nyo ulit. Hanggang siya ay maiga. Or mawala na ng water. So, in low fire, just let it like steam. Okay? And I'll be back. Later, luto na yan. Okay? I'll be back. Ayan. Okay, hello guys. Kakainin natin ng gyoza. So, ito na ang gyoza with the sausawan. Okay. So, ayan yung gyoza. Ayan. Ayan siya, guys. So, that's the gyoza. Okay. Ito yung sausawan. Yung sausawan niya Delicious. I'll see you next time for another cooking. So after matuyo yung yung water, magiging ganda na siya. So, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Have a great evening, guys. Bye.